are celebrating 75th Diamond Jubilee Jamboree in Tamil Nadu. This is an amazing experience. We are gathered in Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat like this. What India is present all type of languages, culture and devotees. So we are from Karnataka. I am very happy to participate and I am really very enjoying not only me, our team and our scout boys and the guide captains, everyone. And we are exhibition here. Our whole Karnataka very famous about architecture. So this is our Bangalore Vidhana Sauda. So Sarkaರದ Kelasa, Devara Kelasa. It means work is worship. So this is we are this is at Bangalore. Then this is our heritage stone place.